Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Game Turbo in Redmi 13C device. So guys, first of all, go to settings and then search for Game Turbo here. But as you guys see that we don't have option of Game Turbo, so we are using third-party application for this. Just go to Play Store and then search for Game Booster 4x Faster. So this one is the application. Just install this application and then open the application. So this type of interfaces appear in which we have ping here, storage, ultra boost, GFX tool. We can also activate 4x game space here by clicking. As you guys see, it is clearing the data or memory automatically. It can boost the game performance and activate 4x game space. Now it's completed. This application also contains ads, but it is a free application. So this is how we can enable Game Turbo in Redmi 13C device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.